In this video, we're going to show you how to manually add points and lines to the line chart. In this example, we have a line chart displaying sales over weeks. We want to manually highlight the week with the highest sales by adding a data point. To manually add a point, open the Add-ons panel and select Plugins. Click Add Plugin, then select Point. Set the dimension value to the desired week. In this case, week 25. For the measure, set the measure index value to 0, which keeps the first measure in the chart. The point now appears on week 25, marking the highest sales. You can further customize the color, outline, and size of the point for better visibility. Now let's manually add a trend line by connecting key sales points. Define two key points for the line. In this case, we want to connect the week 25 highest sales and the week 54 lowest sales. Adjust the line thickness, color, and type for better readability. Enable Show Data Points to highlight the start and end of the line. Now let's manually add a margin trend line using expressions. Add another line and add the first point. For the dimension value, enter week 25. In the Measure Input dropdown, select Measure Value. Then, in the Expression Editor, enter the Set Analysis expression to calculate the margin for week 25. Copy this expression as we'll use it to define the margin for week 54. Enable Show Data Points to visualize the first point of the line. Now let's add the second point. For the dimension value, enter week 54. In the Measure Input dropdown, select Measure Value. Then, in the Expression Editor, paste the copied Set Analysis expression and update the week to 54. When done, customize the line color and thickness for better contrast with the sales line. And here's the final result. Now we have a manually added point highlighting the highest sales week, week 25, a custom sales trend line connecting week 25 and week 54, a manually created margin trend line connecting weeks 25 and 54. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.